Hello, hello. A very warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk English.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat about life.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe sitting on a comfortable sofa.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and helps us reach more students who want to learn English.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about the place where we eat, sleep, and relax. Today, we are talking about your house. So, Bella, let's start with the basics. In English, there are many different names for the places where we live. For example, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. In some countries, like England, they call it a flat. It is on the 5th floor of a big building. What about you, Alex?
I live in a small house. It is a detached house, which means it stands alone and is not connected to another building.
That sounds very quiet. I like my apartment because it is in the city center, but sometimes I wish I had a garden.
Having a garden is nice, but it is a lot of work. I have to cut the grass every weekend.
Some people also live in a terraced house. That is a row of houses joined together, or a bungalow, which is a house with only one floor.
Let's go inside. Bella, what is your favorite room in your apartment?
My favorite room is definitely the living room. It has a big window and I have a very comfortable sofa. I love to sit there and read books.
I like my kitchen. I love to cook, so I spend a lot of time there. I have a big fridge, a stove, and an oven.
Is your kitchen big enough to have a dining room inside?
It is. We have a wooden table where we eat our meals. In many modern houses, the kitchen and the dining room are the same space.
In my apartment, the kitchen is very small, but I have a lovely bedroom. I have a big bed with many pillows.
A bedroom should be peaceful. And what about the bathroom?
My bathroom has a shower, a sink, and a big mirror. I don't have a bathtub, but I prefer a quick shower anyway.
When we move into a new house, we need furniture. Bella, did you buy new furniture for your apartment?
I bought a few things. I have a bookshelf for my many books and a coffee table in front of the sofa.
I have a desk in my spare room. I use it as an office because I work from home sometimes. I also have a very comfortable armchair.
What about decorations? Do you have pictures on the walls?
Yes, I have some photos of my family and a few paintings. I also have many plants. They make the house feel alive.
I love plants too. I have curtains on my windows that are a light blue color. They match my carpet.
Carpet is for the floor, and curtains are for the windows. Good words for our students. Owning a house means you have to do chores. A chore is a job you do to keep the house clean.
Oh, I hate chores. I have to vacuum the floor every Tuesday.
I have to do the dishes after every meal. I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to wash them by hand in the sink.
I have a dishwasher, but I still have to do the laundry. I put my clothes in the washing machine, and then I hang them up to dry.
Do you have to dust the furniture?
Yes, and it takes a long time because of all my books, but it feels great when the house is tidy.
Tidy means everything is in its place. Messy is the opposite. My house is usually a little bit messy on Wednesdays.
Alex, you said you have a garden. What else is outside your house?
Well, I have a driveway where I park my car. I also have a garage, but I don't put my car in there. I use it to keep my bicycle and my tools.
Many houses in England also have a porch at the front door.
Yes, and a backyard at the back. Some lucky people even have a swimming pool, but not in my neighborhood.
In my apartment building, we have a balcony. It is small, but I can sit outside and look at the city.
I like balconies. You can see the roofs of the other buildings from there. Bella, do you remember when you first moved into your apartment and you tried to build that bookshelf?
Oh, please don't remind me. I am not very good at building things.
I came over to help and you had the instructions upside down.
I thought it looked a bit strange. There were extra screws everywhere.
We spent 4 hours building one small shelf, but it's still standing today, right?
Yes, but I'm afraid to touch it. It might fall down if I move a book.
That's why we are English teachers and not carpenters, Bella.
Exactly. I prefer the kitchen anyway. Speaking of which, you still haven't fixed the leaky faucet in your kitchen, have you?
No, it goes drip, drip, drip all night. I need to call a plumber. For our students, talking about your house is a great way to practice. Yes, you can walk around your house and say the names of the objects in English. This is a lamp. That is a mirror.
You can also use the phrase there is and there are. For example, there is a bed in my bedroom. There are 4 chairs in the kitchen.
And try to use prepositions. The cat is on the sofa. The keys are in the drawer.
These small words are very important for describing where things are.
Well, Bella, I think it's time for me to go home and finally fix that leaky faucet.
Good luck, Alex. Try not to break the whole sink.
I will try. We hope all of you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you learn some new words to describe your own home.
Now we have a question for you. What is your favorite room in your house and why?
Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your answers. It's a great way for you to practice your English.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It really helps more people find Ready Talk English.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button below. Join our community and let's learn English together.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a fantastic job.
We will see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep your house tidy and your English practice going.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.